from Russia. This is Naya, your personal Russian teacher. I'm very happy to see you here on my YouTube channel. So, if you wish to learn Russian language, you must have high motivation and willpower. I hope my lessons help with your language learning. So, today's lesson is going to introduce the Russian alphabet to you guys. So, put your language learning hats on, sit up straight, and let us begin. Let us approach the alphabet from 2 points of view. The first point of view is how the alphabet is taught by Russian teachers to students in schools. The reason it is important to learn the alphabet of any language first is because the alphabet is a building system of any language. So, by learning the alphabet, you eventually learn the sound of the language and can then really focus on pronunciation of words. The second point of view is looking at the differences between Russian and English. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters. 21 are consonants and 10 are vowels. The remaining 2 alphabet letters are signs that signify as hard and soft sign. In Russian, we have 6 basic vowels sounds: A, O, U, I, E. Once again: A, O, U, I, E. Next, we have consonant letters. Consonant sounds are divided into hard and soft sounds, voiced and voiceless sounds. Next, look at examples. Paired consonant sounds from the point of hardness and softness. B, hard, B, soft. V, hard, V, soft. G, hard, G, soft. D, D, Z, Z, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P, R, R, S, S, T, T, F, F, H, H. Unpaired consonant sound from the point of hardness and softness. Ž, Š, C, Č, Š, I. Voiced and voiceless consonant sounds can be paired and unpaired. Voiced consonant sounds require more use of your throat to make the sound. Unvoiced consonant sounds require more breath to make the sound. So, voiced and voiceless: B, P, B, P, V, F, V, F, G, K, G, K, D, T, D, T, Ž, Š, Z, S, Z, S. I, L, L, M, M, N, N, R, R, H, H, C, Ch, Sh. Now we have seen the traditional approach to the learning Russian alphabet. Let's look at the second way how the alphabet can be learned. We can use existing English words to learn the Russian alphabet. This approach is called contextual learning because it uses what you already know to teach you something new. Let's move on. A, pronounced as in gathering. In any case, If you see this letter, you should know it sounds as A, not as A or E. That is why many Russian students during learning of English are confused when they say, for example, the word map when A sounds like E, or table when A sounds call A. Next, K, pronounced as in king. M, milk. O, aura. When unstressed, this letter makes a sound similar to the Russian A. For example, the word молоко. Молоко. Unstressed is the last O. The first and the second are unstressed. That is why we articulate молоко. Not O, but A. Молоко. Okay? Next, T, pronounced as in time, and Y, pronounced as in yes. Next letters. These letters have similar sounds to existing English sounds. But don't confuse some of these Russian letters for English ones. Even if they look like other English letters or even numbers, they have different pronunciation. Move on. V, pronounced as in value. Z, pronounced as in zero. This letter has nothing to do with the number 3, okay? N, pronounced as a neighbor. R, pronounced as a bright. And S, pronounced as in sound. U, pronounced as in wood. Ch, pronounced as in cherry. And H, pronounced as a honey. The next group includes 16 letters of the Russian alphabet. They all have an unusual look, but sounds are relatively familiar to English. Let's move on. Boy. B, pronounced as in a boy. G, good. D, double. Y, yonder. J, pleasure. P, plate. F, Facebook. E, tree. B, boy. L, lake. C, it's. Sh, pronounced as sh in shop. She, pronounced as she in bushchat. E, pronounced as E in echo. U, pronounced as English U but shortly youth. And Ya, pronounced as Ya in Naya. And finally, the last group. These letters don't exist in English. U, U. I know it's difficult, but I am sure that you can do that. U. Soft sign. Soft sign. When this symbol is directly following a consonant, it influences the way the consonant is pronounced. The word laziness, лень. With this soft sign, it sounds like лень, лень. Without this sign, it sounds like лен. But we haven't such word like лен. We have лень. Hard sign. The Russian word union объединение. Объединение has hard sign in between B, consonant B, and vowel E. Because it is in between those two, it separates them. Without heart sign, they would be together as glide B, which makes a single syllable sound, which if read this way, will change the meaning of the word объединение. But we haven't word объединение, we have объединение. Once again, when you see this symbol, you must pronounce consonant at its softer version. Лень, ñ. Heart sign separates consonant and vowel sounds. Alright, my smart and wonderful students, you survived the first lesson in Russian language. Give yourself a pat on the back, you have done a great job, and please watch this video a few times until you feel comfortable with the Russian alphabet. So have a good day, enjoy your life, enjoy Russian with Naya. See you soon. Пока-пока.